Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am working on a project on my FJ40, and that project is to put a new paint job on this baby, because as you can see from the video right here, the body looks ugly. So previously this was mudded, and then basically rattle can over that, and that was it. So I want to take it all down much as I can and fix this. As we're going along here towards the front, it's hard to tell because the camera is moving so fast. Actually, the film is moving very fast to see all the little details. But you can get a glimpse of it here and there, of like right there you can see there's lots of valleys and ridges and sharp edges from the prior body filling project, which was just basically slapped on and rattle canned over. So we're going to fix all that. So and also to give you perspective of how bad the body work here is, on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 meaning worse, really bad, 1 is being really good, this is about, I would say, an 8. It's pretty bad. So anyway, so the best way to tackle this is just take the panels off in pieces, like I'm doing right here. This is held down by 8 bolts, 8 10mm bolts, and they just come off. It's really easy to take them off, and that gives you access to the engine compartment, but also it's going to be much easier to pull it off, sand it, fill in the body, prime it, and paint it, opposed to trying to do it on the rig. Okay, so here I am at the point where I can take off the front grille. It's held by 3 bolts, 3 13mm bolts, 2 in the front on the hinge and then 1 in the back. And what's really cool about this FJ is you can take the panels off in sections. So if you need to work on a certain area of the motor, you can remove, left side, the right side, just the front to work on the radiator. It's pretty cool. It was designed so that you can fix whatever you got to fix out on the trail without having the need for a bunch of tools. As you can see, there's no plastic and shit that's gonna break and fall apart. Everything you see here is metal. So yeah, that came right off, just held by 3 bolts. As you can see, I'm putting all my nuts and bolts in a Ziploc bag. I've got a Ziploc bag for each section of the panels that I'm taking off, so that when I put it back on, I know which bag to grab. Alright, so now that I got the front off, I think I'm ready to clean up my engine bay. I've got a lot of paint in there from when I sanded the hood down. A lot of the paint and the particle and debris got into the engine compartment. So later in the video here, I'll be washing that off. So far into this day, it's been maybe an hour and a half. Taking off the hood, both sides, the little panels there on the fender well, and then the front grille. Okay, here I am removing the two turn signals in the front. These are held down by 17mm nut. It's always a good idea to put those nuts back on the bolt as you take things apart. That way, when you put things back together, you're not missing any nuts or washers. Oftentimes that's the case. So now it's ready to get a good bath here with Dawn soap. Looks like a bit of body to body or metal to metal grinding there. So now I'm taking apart the grill, and it looks really good. This looks like it's powder coated. It's in really good shape. So eventually I'll be washing this whole thing down. Again, you want to make sure you get all the grease off. That's really important before you do any prep work. Otherwise, it's not going to bond very well when you have grease on the body. Grease is your #1 enemy on this project. So use a lot of soap and be very thorough. I don't like to use sponge here because sponge doesn't get into those little cracks. Rag seems to work the best. So get your finger up in those little nooks and crannies. I hope you guys enjoyed the video so far as I disassembled some of the body parts off the FJ. I'm letting it sit and dry overnight, and tomorrow I will be doing some body filling, sanding, and priming. So I hope I get all that done tomorrow. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel so you get all the videos and updates of this project. So thanks for watching and have a great day.